Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today we will learn about international phonetic sounds, and it is a consonant sound fricative 9. Yes friend. So already I made videos on the international phonetic sounds as a summary video, 44 sounds. So I would like to request you just go to my YouTube channel playlist and you will find those videos and just watch those videos. Then you can get a crystal clear picture on this, and you will get a concept which will help you to understand these videos also. Okay, so let's start today's video. It is 9 fricatives in consonant sound in IPA, international phonetic sounds, right? So number 1, it is symbolized as F, small f, so it is produce the sound. Okay, number 2, it is symbolized as V, so it is produce the sound V, okay, in this way, okay. Number 3, it is as symbolized as 0, but under between this it is cut, and so it is produces the th sound, th. Okay, I am saying repeating this sound again and again so that you can get a clear picture on it. Number 4, it is as like as opposite 6 and cut here, it is produces the sound the, okay, the. Number 5, it is s, small s, so it is produces the sound sa, okay. Number 6, it is as like a snake symbolized, so it is produces the sound sh, okay. Number 7, it is as like a 3, we can say, and it produces the sound za, okay, za. Number 8, it is z, small z, so it produces the z sound, z, okay. So number 9, it is h symbolized, so it is produces the ha sound, ha, okay. So let's see details with the words so that it can be provide a clear picture on it. So number 1, it is f, small f symbolized, and it produces the sound, okay. For example, here it is some words here: father, fan, phone, buff, okay. Father, fan, phone, buff, okay. So if we see, every word is producing the f sound, okay. As for example, father, so definitely it has f sound. Fan, yes friend. Fan, phone, yes friend, definitely it produces the f sound, phone. And buff, it's also producing the f sound. So let's see in sentence so that it can be clear, more clear. The fan is new. Here the f sound is producing the f sound, okay. Fan, in this fan word, it is f sound is producing f sound. My phone is branded. Here this phone word is producing the f sound, okay. So I hope you understood this. So let's come to this second fricative sound. So it is symbolized as V, small v, so it is in this way it produces the sound, so some little bit vibrate type. So let's see some words: van, okay, van, vote, visa, victory, okay. Some non-native English speaker wrongly pronounce this sound. So what they do, they say van, vote, visa, victory. That's wrong, so it is v sound, okay. Van, vote, visa, victory, okay. So let's see some sentences so that it can be crystal clear for us. I have a new van. Okay, I have a new van. Here this van word is definitely producing the v sound. Okay, number sentence, I need USA visa. Definitely this visa word is producing the v sound. Okay, v, some little bit vibrate, visa. Okay, visa, it's some throat is a little bit vibrating. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Yes friend, so now if we see the next one, it is thaw sound, thaw. Okay, it is symbolized as 0 and between this card, so it is this is the thaw sound. So we have some words for that so that we can understand it. So for example, thanks. Yes friend, definitely thanks, th producing the thaw sound. And next one is thin. Yes friend, definitely this is producing the thin sound. Mouth. Yes friend, th last one of this mouth sound, mouth word, it producing the thaw sound. Then think. Yes friend, definitely here also producing the thaw sound, right? So some non-native English speaker make some wrong pronunciation for this, so I'd like to say how they produced this. Thanks, think, mouth, think, that's actually wrong pronunciation. So how to do pronounce correctly, I would like to repeat this. Thanks, thin, mouth, think. Okay, so let's see this in sentences so that we can clarify it and it will be crystal clear for us to understand this. I thanked him for his help. Yes friend, definitely this thank word has the thaw sound, okay, thaw, thaw, thaw. Okay, and the second sentence it is I think he is good. Yes friend, here also this thing word is producing the thaw sound. So I hope you understood this. So next please come to the next one, next sound. In fricative it is 4 number, it is the sound, the. Okay, the. So we should take some example of words so that it can be clear for us. those, those, it is the o s e, those sound, right? Then that is that, then this is next one is this. Okay, this this, this, the sound, definitely producing the sound. They, thui, they. Okay, definitely producing the sound. Some non-native English speaker makes it wrongly how they produce this sound. Those, that, this, they, that is wrong pronunciation. So what is correct pronunciation? It is those, that, this, they. Okay, so I hope you understood it. So come to these sentences so that it can be helpful for us. Those are my books. So here if we see, those is producing the sound. And the second sentence, that is my pen. Yes friend, that producing the sound here also. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. And so please come to this next sound. It is symbolizes as, and it is number 5 in fricative. So it is produces the sound sa, sa, sa. Okay, so here it is some words we can see here. It is sad. Okay, sad, sad. Sit, sit. Snake, snake, snack. Okay, snake, we can say snake. Snow, snow, snow. Okay, so if we see some sentences, it will be crystal clear for us. Ajay is said. Ajay is said today. Okay, here definitely this said word is producing the s sound, producing the sa sound. Okay, in this said word, s sound is producing, s letter is producing the sa sound. Okay, so next sentence it is please sit near me. Yes friend, here also sit is producing the sa sound. So I hope you understood it. So next it is International Phonetic Sounds Consonant Sound Fricative 9, and out of this 9 it is 6 number. It is symbolized as snake. Okay, so it is producing also the same as like a snake sound, shh, 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 in this way. Okay, so let's see. Here it is she, okay, she, she, then ship, ship, wish, wish, and should, should. Okay, so some non-native English speaker make mistakes on this, so whenever they produce this sound. So I'd like to indicate how they produce this sound mistakenly, wrongly. That is she, they produce the sound c. Okay, ship, ship, wish, wish, and should, should. Okay, so this is completely wrong pronunciation. So how to do pronounce it correctly, I would like to mention it again. she, she, ship, ship, wish, wish, and should, should. Okay, so let's see some sentences so that we can understand it clearly. She is in the ship. Okay, she is in the ship. So definitely here she is producing the sh sound, and here also ship is producing the sh sound. Okay, so she is in the ship. Okay, so next sentence, it is I wish her to get success. Okay, here wish is producing the sh sound. Okay, sh here in this wish word, sh producing the sh word. Okay, so I hope you understood it. So let's come to this number 7, fricative. It is written as 3 and between slash, and it is producing the z, then o, right? Z sound, z. Okay, it is not z, it is not jaw, it is z, z. Okay, so for example, I would like to say some words: casual, casual. Okay, casual, leisure, leisure, pleasure, pleasure, measure, measure. Okay, so if you listen this very carefully with focus, then you definitely found that it is producing casual, zual. Okay, casual, leisure, 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 or, okay, or sound, zo. Okay, pleasure, 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 because r will be remain silent, so it will produce o sound, so s will produce z sound, z. Measure, measure, measure. Okay, so I hope you understood it. So let's see some sentences, it will be very helpful for us to understand it. He is wearing casual dress. Yes friend, definitely in this casual word it's producing the z sound. Okay, I have a good pleasure. Yes friend, definitely the pleasure is producing also the z sound. Okay, so next one is I hope you understood it. So next one sound I would like to inform here. Yes friend, so here it is number 8, and it is produces it is symbolized with z, small z, so it produces z sound, z, z, z. Okay, so let's see some words so it will be clear for us. So zip, 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 it is zip. Okay, zebra, zebra, zebra. Okay, buzz, 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 buzz. Okay, zap, 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 zap. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let's come to this main some sentences so that it can be give us a crystal clear of means concept on this. So see, please transfer my zip file. Yes friend, definitely. We have the in this zip word we are producing the z sound. Okay, so here it is also zebra is a calm animal. Yes friend, here this zebra is producing the z sound. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So come to this next one, it is number 9, and it is symbolized with h, small h, and it is producing the ha sound, ha. Okay, for example, hum, hill, heart, hell. Okay, so here I hope you understood this. I would like to repeat it again: hum, hill, heart, hell. Okay, so here is some sentences, so it will help us to understand this clearly. This is my home. Yes friend, this is my home. Here definitely in this home word it is producing the ha sound. And the second sentence, my home is near a hill. Yes friend, here also in this home word is producing the h sound, is producing the ha sound, and hill word is producing the h, ha sound, right? So I hope you understood this. So please repeat it again and again so that you can understand it very carefully. So come to this next one, it is affricative. We have two affricatives in consonant sound under International Phonetic Sounds. So it is T and snake type symbolized, so it is produces ch sound, ch, ch. Okay, ch, ch. Okay, number 2, it is a D and 3, I mean as a Z, so it is produces jaw, normal jaw, normal jaw. Okay, so let's see what is this. Number 1, it is T and snake symbolized, so it is produces chaw, chaw. For example, check, check, check. Okay, chat, chat, chat. rich, rich, rich. chang, change. Okay, change. And here if we see some sentences, it will be crystal clear for us. Kindly check my mobile phone. Here in this sentence we definitely find this check word, and here ch making the cha sound. Okay, this cha sound, cha. So next sentence, it is he changed his dress. Yes friend, definitely here in this change word is continuing the ch combination, and it is making the cha sound, right? So I hope you understood this. So we can come to this next one. It is jaw, normal jaw sound. Okay, D and Z combine, jaw sound, normal jaw. For example, just, just. Okay, job, job, jug, 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 jump, jump. Okay, so it is just, just, job, job, jug, jug, jump, jump. Okay, so let's see in sentences so that it can be crystal clear for us. I got a new job yesterday. Yes friend, here it is providing us the jaw sound. Okay, it is not job, it is not job. Okay, it is not job, so it is simple job. Okay, I got a new job yesterday. Yes friend, some non-native English speaker makes mistakes on this. Whenever they're producing this job word, they say job. Actually it is not job, not job, it is normal job. Okay, so I can jump the road. Yes friend, here this jump word is producing the jaw sound, normal jaw. I can jump the road. Yes friend, definitely. So you should understand the difference between this jaw, jaw and z. Okay, so it will be very helpful for you. So if you watch these videos and identify the difference between this sound, what is this, then it will be very helpful for you, because you should be a professional. This is my wish. And if you speak English in this way with correct pronunciation, then definitely you can get better performance in your professional life as well as in your whatever you are doing in your business life. Okay, so with this best wishes, thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.